Hey guys, it's Andrea. Today I am coming at you with the new releases for this week. These will be up Friday at noon Eastern, and as always, we do have unlimited stock for the first 3 hours. Also, for the first 200 orders, we do have a little bow sampler. I don't know where the one from last week went. Oh, here it is. So we did have one last week, and I did end up making the bows a little bit smaller. I did use them in my spread, and I think they turned out really cute, but I did make them a hair smaller, as you can tell, just a little bit, so I can squeeze more on there for you guys. So this week, the little bows are in the colors of the Spells and Pastels, and I also have these in the shop for the weekend only, if you guys want to pick up any and add them to your order. So that's one thing. Another thing I want to show you guys is the new $75 plus freebie. So this is kind of like my freebie, like if I got to design one and like make it really cute. I picked a Tiffany blue color. You have 3 girls, and then some of the things that I've doodled: the silver border, silver glitter headers, silver label, and then a silver appointment label. So I was kind of very Tiffany inspired theme, and that's $75 plus freebie, and that'll be the same for a little bit. I won't be like changing those out weekly or anything. So then the next thing that I am releasing are new date icons. These are date squares, which I like a lot better than date dots, just because they're a little bit easier to place. And I'm actually going to show you guys real quick. These are going to be $2. So before you got, I don't know if I have any anywhere. You got just 1 month's worth, but now you get 2 months worth on a sheet for $2. They are a lot smaller, but I think they look really, really cute in the new date covers. So they are square, so it's like a lot easier to line them up in here. I'm zooming in as far as I can. So I use tweezers just because it's easier, and then I just line them up right on the line. And look how cute they look. So I'll go ahead and put a couple down. These are the date covers that are in the shop, or going to be in the shop, that are the summer multicolor ones, which I am obsessed with summer multicolor colors. We're going to get to that in a couple of minutes. But I really like the way these look. And like I said, with the square design, it's super easy to line them up straight, but I think they're so cute. And like I said, these are going to be $2, and these will be in the shop unlimited stock, just like the other ones were. So if you want to pick those up, definitely do so. And the round ones will be removed from the shop when I put these up. So these are really cute, and they will work with the dates covers. So let's go ahead and get into the multicolor. Actually, we'll do the kits last. So multicolor, I did a poll. I was actually like considering not doing summer multicolor because we do like Color Club and the $3 Thursdays and all kinds of different stuff. These are going to be all different ways. So let me just take them off camera. So I also did a poll if I should do the new glitter or the old glitter texture, and y'all said you wanted the new glitter texture, so we're going to do that. But I worked so hard on these colors, like picking them, hand selecting each one, and I think for summer this is like everything. This is everything. So let's go ahead and go through these. So I got a lot of requests to add the labels. These were not in the multicolor before. I think there's this in the date covers, which are new, so we'll go through those first. So I did add these in both the solid and the glitter, and these are the labels that are on the solid washi page, as well as the one label that's on the freebie. I cannot for the life of me find the glitter ones. I know they're in here. There's just so many releases. I don't even know why I was like considering not doing them, because I have so many of them, and I probably should have like organized myself a little bit. Here they are. So that is the solid, and then you also have the glitter version, faux glitter, with the new glitter texture. And I really think that the colors came off really, really beautifully, like in solid versus the glitter. Sometimes they're a little hard to match up, but I think that they worked out really well with this color palette. But I love these so much, and I think you guys are going to be super excited about them because they've been really requested to add to the multicolor. Then I also do have the date covers. Like I said, a lot of you guys that use mini kits want multicolor date covers to pull into your mini kits because they don't have date covers. So I'll show you guys the solid first. So you have red, orange, yellow, blue, and green. And then you have purples and light pinks, a really good variety, grays, and then pinks and a red. So super pretty. I'm actually so pumped on these. Like, I love these new date covers. And then you have the same colors in the glitters. And I did do like a poll if I should do the date the same color as the glitter, but you guys said you think the date looks better in black, which which I do agree, because then it's easier, especially with the glitters. They don't have to be the exact same color because there's so many different like variants of that color as far as like lights to dark that you can kind of match it up to kits a little bit better. So these are sold in packs of 4, so you can either get the glitter or the solid ones. So those are all of the new things, so I'll kind of just try and go through everything else fairly quickly. So I'm just going to go through them not in order because it's going to take a while to pull out like glitter and non-glitter. So we do have the glitter half boxes. So you have this page and this page. Super cute. You have the glitter, and those are in like a 2-page, like this comes in a set. Then you have the glitter quarter boxes, the glitter mini flags, which these do fit in the corner of the Erin Condren neutral, the glitter movie marquees, the large glitter flags, which those are the same as the large ones in the kit, or the ones on the glitter sampler. You have your multicolor habit trackers, your glitter headers, and I'll talk about these in a second. Then you have your glitter appointment labels, which I love these. They're beautiful. You have your bill dues, your regular appointment labels. You have your flight trackers, your regular large labels, the class stickers, your YouTube trackers, the work version 1, which is our original one, the work version 2, which is the same as the class one, so you have 2 of each color on here. And then you have your regular solid movie marquees, your solid quarter boxes, your solid mini flags, which fit in the corner of the Erin Condren neutral, your solid set of the half boxes, your hydrate stickers, 2 of each color. Then there's also the monthly pack, which I don't know if I'm going to keep this for the next round just because we didn't sell a lot of them in the first round, but these are great as like add-ons to kind of like build up your monthly. And I know a lot of people are saying that they actually just bought these and then aren't going to be using like monthly kits and just kind of like adding these in when they need them. These do fit the monthly. They do not fit the width of the Erin Condren boxes. The monthly boxes are wider, so you get some labels, some dues, some like half boxes, and then some strips on the bottom. Super cute, really good colors. Then you also have your 4-page pack of glitter headers, which is actually our best seller out of all of the multicolor, are the glitter headers. So this has your pinks, your gray, and your brown, your greens, your tan, and like silvery nude blues, purples and blues, and like a pink, and then some peaches, reds, yellows. So those are the glitter headers. So a lot of people ask what the difference is, like why buy one over the other. If you want 7 of each and it's like super easy and compact, I would go for this one. But if you just want a couple of glitter headers, I would just get like the 1 sheet. I think you do end up getting more colors in this one. I think if my math's correct, what is it? I think there's 32 different colors on here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And then there's 26 on here, different colors. So you get less of variety in here, but this is more if you just want like a sampler of glitter headers. So that is up to you. So that's everything for summer multicolor. Lots of stuff. I will be taking down the fall multicolor on, or not fall, spring multicolor on Thursday evening. So if you want to pick up any of that, do so prior to then, and then I'll be making up grab bags like I normally do, and posting those in a couple of weeks once I have all of the orders shipped and fulfilled that did include those. So let's go ahead into the 2 collections for this week. I'll show you guys this one first. This is a exclusive collection to our shop. It is an ultimate exclusive. I usually do ultimate exclusives if I think the kit is kind of very like niche, like I don't think it's going to be like audiences everywhere need it, just because like making 2 different kits, like production wise, like just keep it simple, just ultimate and glitter headers. So these are the glitter headers, so blues and grays, and then this is kind of like a Grey's Anatomy kit. I've gotten a lot of requests to do a Grey's themed kit, which I think it turned out really, really cute. I wish I had purpose for it. I don't watch Grey's Anatomy, but I really like the way that it turned out. So you do have your freebie here. You have your front page, which I did like a little nurse and doctor, or whichever, whatever, and then a little like stressed out a stressed out girl. And then you have some deco on the top. And then you also have a Grey season finale, a Grey season premiere, and then binge watch Greys. I did do kind of like a grungier, kind of like the Scandal glitter in the background, super cute. And then you have your full boxes. So the quote says, "It's a beautiful day to save lives." You have two of the characters up top here. Again, I don't know anything about Grey's Anatomy. You have a little post-it with, I guess, like a quote on there and a double box of like a ER. Then you have some pattern washi, half boxes page. I did do the Seattle skyline in the background. I think that's Seattle. I think that's what this, like, where it's at. And then your little things and your labels. And then you have your bottom washi with the silver bows, the abstract pattern, silver glitter headers, and then an extra full box here. And I always mention that if I go through these too fast or you want to see them in more detail, I do put up a picture whenever I put the listings up. And the second image usually has like a full flat line of everything. So that is saving lives. And then we also have Spells and Pastels, which is a pastel Harry Potter Hogwarts wizard inspired collection that I'm so excited about. I think you guys are going to go wild over. I love this so much. I did tweak the colors to be a little bit more pastel than what the artist had them, but I'm just like absolutely in love. So you have your freebie here. You have your top like deco area, and I did do like all 4 girls together. I thought that was really cute. And then you have girls in the bottom, which are little wizards with little gray robes. I wanted to keep it house neutral. You have a little lightning bolts in the backgrounds of all the check boxes and a gold weekend banner, the flowers in the back of the habit trackers, the half boxes, some patterned washi. And I love that these colors are really pretty, and I feel like they're going to go really well to do like a multi-house spread. So then you have your ombre hair checklist again with the lightning bolts. I love these full boxes. I think they turned out so pretty. Again, very like house neutral. Then you have the bows over the brick with the floral on the bottom, an extra full box, and then the gold glitter date covers. So dang cute. Then you also have the option for the mini kit, which usually the mini kits do sell out the fastest, but we have been able to do that 3-hour unlimited stock. I have mentioned that I don't know how long I'll be able to continue doing that, just because I am going to be down an employee soon, but I'm going to try to be able to keep doing that. But that is the mini kit. Super cute. Whenever I stop doing the 3-hour unlimited stock, I will still try to increase the amount of mini kits available for you guys. So that is the mini kit. And then the add-on options, you have the glitter header add-on, you have the personal washi add-on, and then you also have the girls, which are so pretty. I just really like them a lot. I think it's even cute if you just add like a couple of them in there. Adorable. Because I'm Divergent, and the only one that I'm nothing is like, I'm not Hufflepuff, but I'm like a little of the rest of them, but I choose to be in Gryffindor because that's where I need to be. And then, like I said, the first 200 orders this week on Friday at noon Eastern will get this in their order, and then I will have this up if you want to purchase them, which I like put them up because a couple people requested it, but so many of you guys bought the Tiana ones. I was like so excited, and I love my bow. Like, I worked hard on this bow. There was a lot of Photoshop on that bow. So that is everything, I think, for this week. Yes, I think so, yes. That's everything for this week. I hope that you guys like everything that I'm putting out. I think next week we have 3 collections, but I'm not 100% sure. I think so. Yeah, one of those is the new one, the like festival-y looking one. I think the rest of them are, I think I have a photo kit and an exclusive kit coming out next week. So stay tuned for those, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!